Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new here. My name is Leila Diva, and today I have a special video. I bought myself a new bag. As you can see from the title of this video, it's Michael Kors bag. So here is the bag. I love their like paper bags that, you know, they put the bags in. Actually, I never owned Michael Kors bag prior to this. I do have one Michael Kors item. It's my watch. I had it for a few years now. Actually, you know what, it's been quite a long time. I think I bought it back in 2013, so it's been almost 10 years and it still looks brand new. You know, it looks expensive and beautiful. So I wanted to get Michael Kors bag because, you know, I go to work every day and I really need a good sturdy bag that will survive everyday life but will also look more elegant, you know, than a bag from Zara, for example. So let's just get straight into it and let me unbox it in front of you guys. I just came from the store. Actually, I just picked it up and I'm so excited to open it. Alright, so the name of this bag, because it comes with the warranty form, is a Voyager large Saffiano leather top zip tote bag. Okay, so the color that I got is Luggage, which is basically brown color. And oh my god, this is so exciting. So it comes in this baggie. So cute. It says Michael Kors here. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm so happy to share this moment with you guys. All right, so we will open this up. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. Ta-da! Look at this gorgeous lady. Wow, I love it. Oh my god, it's so nice, so nice. All right, so let me open this part because I don't need this. I need to see how it looks. Just get rid of them, you know. I don't need this. Oh my god, I'm such a child when it comes to, you know, spoiling myself with expensive stuff. So we're taking this one off as well. And I honestly love golden details in my bags and accessories, so I really am happy that this one has golden details. There was a black one, and I really love buying basic colors when it comes to accessories, especially if it's more of an expensive item, you know, like something that goes with every outfit. But black one, first of all, it's more boring, let's be honest, than good old brown. Brown is like a good classy color that you can style with anything. Oh my god, guys, look at the MK sign. Wow, so beautiful. Okay, wait, how do you open this? Okay, before I move forward and we continue unpacking, I feel like brown is such a perfect everyday stylish color, but unfortunately black one had like silver details and I'm not a silver girl. You can tell I have always gold. This is also gold, it's white gold, but I'm a golden girl. Let's see what's inside. Inside there's more, of course, stuff. I don't need this. Wow, nice. Okay. All right. More unnecessary stuff. Okay, so let me come closer and show you guys the details. So basically this bag has one pocket in front, which is quite big, so you can put stuff if you want to. One in the bag, same here, it's quite big. So stuff can fit. Oh, there's one more pocket right here in front, and you can actually close it. You can also put stuff here, which is very important when you are working, like to have a bag big enough to fit everything. and not to look bulky. And now let me take you guys inside the bag so you can see what's up there. Okay, so inside the bag, it's also quite comfortable. You can put here your phone, your keys, your wallet, you know. There is 4 pockets. Oh, let's take this off. Well, you can put your stuff, you know, and you can unzip this one. Wait a second. And there's more stuff. Oh, it's so cute. Nice. So it's quite big for whatever you need. This one also opens up. Wait. Oh, it's hard. Okay. And you can also put stuff here, which is perfect for girls that work or go to university, college, whatever. It's very comfortable and very spacious. So this is how the bag looks on me. It's not that big, you know, but at the same time it's big enough to fit everything you want, and I love that. Let me close it so we can see it in action. All right, so I love it, and I feel like it's perfect for the upcoming fall season and winter, and honestly even in the summer I feel like this brown color is perfect for any season. Unlike lighter colors, like you wouldn't be able to style them every day, and I really needed something for every day where I can put my laptop, I can put my water bottle, you know, and I still look classy, because I'm so tired of looking like grandma with all the bags, you know, tote bags, small bags. So I just really needed to buy just one item to fit everything, and this one item also needed to be sturdy enough to survive my everyday work routine. Okay, so that is my unboxing first impression video of my new Michael Kors bag. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you would want to see more videos like this one from me, in case in the future I'll buy more expensive things and I would want to share it with you guys, let me know. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Leave your comments letting me know what you think about this video, about this bag, if you own any Michael Kors bags, and of course don't forget to subscribe, because we need to grow, you guys. I know I'm not posting that often, but we need to grow. So help your girl out, subscribe, and don't forget to click that bell so you won't miss my new uploads. And now me and my Michael Kors bag are saying goodbye, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye bye.